Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver, and across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also features a front colour coordinated bumper, complete with the front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels finished in a multi-spoke design, and moving to the rear of the van we can see that it comes fitted with a tailgate. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reverse camera, and this paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate reveals a spacious load area in a factory fresh condition. The vehicle comes with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found through the single sliding door on the passenger side of the vehicle. There is a step for easy access, and a full steel black bulkhead separates the driver's cab from the load area. The driver has a 2-seater armrest complete in the bricks woven fabric upholstery, and there's also a twin-seater passenger bench. The van comes with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system complete with App Connect as well as DAB radio stations. There are 2 front heated seats as well as a 12-volt and 2 USB-C outlets, handy for keeping those smart devices charged. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.